Hey everybody, all right. Hey guys, thank you for watching my show. All right, thank you very much. All right guys, today we're gonna make delicious recipe, guys. All right, that's what I need to do this delicious recipe. I'm gonna make today tuna with avocado dip. All right guys, right? It's gonna taste delicious, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have this to make this delicious dip. All right, I have here 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I have 4 eggs. I already cut the eggs in small pieces. All right, you guys can do that too. I don't want the video to get too long. So also, I have 1 lemon. I have 1/4 cup of cilantro. I have here 4 avocados. I have here 4 cans of tuna. All right, I already drained the water and I flake it. All right, so everything's beautiful. All right, so I have here 1/4 cup of scallion. I have 1 red onion. I have 1 tablespoon of basil to bring the flavor together, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, here I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 4.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys don't like hot sauce, just don't use, right? So also I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, lemon zest. All right, 2 lemon zest. Also I have here 2 tomatoes. All right, doesn't have to be that big. All right, medium. All right. Also, I have here, this is for the bread. All right, for the bread, I have 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and I have here a 1/2 cup of olive oil. All right, guys, so let's start this. All right, let's go. First, I'm gonna take my tuna. All right. Good. All right. Okay. Second, I'm gonna get my avocado. All right. Very good. All right, the avocado looks beautiful. All right, guys. So just up there. Very good. Right, very good. All right, guys, 1 more here. Looking good. This recipe is gonna taste so delicious, guys. All right, very good. Right, and this recipe I'm gonna make it with the bread. All right, now you have to mix it up both together. All right, you don't have to really squeeze too much. All right, I like those little pieces of avocado. All right. So now, guys, my next step is gonna be my eggs, right? That's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. You guys can take a look here, all right? Looking good. Now this is my garlic powder. Very good. Okay, this is my lemon. Right, squeeze there. Very good. Now mix it up a little bit. Very good. Now my cilantro. Now my red onions. Good. Mix it up a little bit. Start to smell good, guys. Alright, this is my olive oil. Color and the flavor come together, guys. It's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, this is my balsamic vinegar. Mix it up a little bit. Right, my salt. Very good. Mix it up. Good. Now this is my mayonnaise. Very good. Mix it up. It's looking good. Alright guys, now this is my hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Like the way I say all the time in my videos. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, just don't use. Alright, this is my black pepper. Alright, but this is my lemon zest. Okay guys, it's looking good. Now mix it up a little bit so the colors and the flavor come together. Good. This dip smells so good, guys. This is my scallion. Right guys? Good. And this is my tomatoes. All right. This is my basil. All right. Very good. Like we set up this. Very good. There. It's looking good, guys. Smell good. Very good. Okay, guys. I'm gonna let this sit, okay, for 2 minutes. So all the ingredients get together nice and easy so I can go to the next step. Right? I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, now it's time for the bread. Alright? My dip is ready. Alright, now it's time for my bread. Alright, so let's cut this baby. Usually I cut like this, not like this. Okay guys? So, right? I think it looks good, you know? Good. You don't want to cut too thick. Okay? Alright guys, my oven is preheat. Alright. So I'm gonna put these babies to brown a little bit. Alright? Very good. Alright, so now put over here. Yeah. right, cut this one. All right. Very good, guys. So now what you're gonna do is, this is my garlic, all right? So you're gonna mix it up with the olive oil, all right? And you're gonna paste each one. Brush, right? It's looking good. Alright guys, it's almost finished here. Looking good. Okay guys, now let's put these babies in the oven. It's looking good. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Oh guys, alright, time to check guys, time to check. Alright, very good, looks good. Looking good guys. Alright, it's time to flip. Alright, I'm gonna flip these babies. Looking good. Alright. You don't want to get too much crispy. Alright guys. So now it's time to flip this. Alright. Very good. Right. Right. Let's do over again, guys. I like to let this a little hot, but that's all right. You can smell the garlic. It's almost ready. All right. You guys can do this with two breads, right? Two Italian breads. I bought another Italian bread because it's gonna have leftovers. All right. So now let's bring back these babies to the oven. All right. Very good. See you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. Now it's time to check. All right. All right, it's getting there. All right, guys, it's looking good. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this cook for 1 more minute. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey, guys, all right. Woo! Very good, guys. Hey, guys, show you the final product. All right, it's looking good. All right, very good, guys. All right, I'll let you know if it tastes good, right? Take my first bite. Guys, that looks beautiful. Looks yummy, right? This tastes good, guys. Tastes very good, guys. You guys have to try this, right? You guys have to try this dip, all right? I bet you. You're gonna be happy today and forever. All right? Take another bite. It's melting all over my mouth, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for watching my show. All right? Love you all.